Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to level your sprinkler head. If it's too deep into the ground and you just want it to level off so that the spout comes out a little bit higher so that the grass gets greener as time goes by when watering as needed, we've got you covered. So without any further ado, let's get started so we can get things leveled out and greener. So here's our hole right here. The sprinkler head should be flush, but as you can see, it's not. It's deeply recessed in there. I put some rocks around it. It doesn't really do justice. We could cap it off. This is a 1/2 inch cap, which would fit on here, as you can see. A little extender, which can be cut with this tool right here. So we can get 3, maybe 3.5 inches there, which might be ideal, right? So we just use that. Slice it across. As you can see, with these you can cut to your likings. We can square it out so we can lift it out, and right about there, square it out there. Should be able to lift it up if all goes well. Just pull it out. See, look at that. I think the previous guy who used to live here before buried this. But looks like we got it. So now we can see the line exposed from both ends. And so we'll just snip that right there, and then snip that right there. Now we have easier access to everything. So now we can screw this off. Voila. Oh nice, the bottom came out too. I should be able to remove this if we can. If not, we got a tool for that. Here it is. Here's our sprinkler head. Put this in like that and turn it. See, we should be able to turn it. So that one's really small. Looks like he used something similar to what we cut. We got a 3-inch right here, but we want to put some tape over it beforehand on both ends. So we're going to apply some plumber's tape and just wrap it around both ends. If you have a train to catch, feel free to pause the video. There we go. And then just pull it, and then do the same thing to the other side. And should be good to go. Again, you could use this one or that one. They're both the same size. We could have cut the other one longer. So now what we can do is we can turn this on. You can always adjust the head later. Ideally, I think 3 inches should do the trick. There's our hole right there. So now we can see this one on. And this one we might need to clean off and see where it comes up so we don't have to adjust it. We can turn it and set it beforehand. Or turn it as we turn it on. We could always turn it on to activate it, but that looks very flush, so we got lucky with 3 inches. Move the bucket out of the way. Ours is the ratio, which can be controlled by the phone. I believe it's facing the right way. We'll have to be fast on this one. Get ready to turn it. Whoops, yeah, it's facing the other way. So now, voila. See, kind of neat, huh? Hard to know. Now it's flush. We'll clean that off in a bit. This is exactly the angle that we wanted, and we're just going to clean that off. Kind of neat, huh? Now it gets watered here, that way, and that way. As you can see, nothing is leaking in the hole when the sprinkler is off. That's just remnants of the water from when we shut it off. So now we can fill the hole back in, and we are good to go. Fill the hole back in. I want to make sure everything is evenly spread around the hole. And push it down, because remember we have that patch of dirt, because we really need to pack the dirt back in. Put our glove back on, the dirt in there. See how much space we get. It should fit into the hole, or you can always carve a new hole if need be, and nobody will ever correctly. So that, because I don't think it's the right way. Okay. Should have left some dirt out. Put some back in, or it won't be a problem. For around the edges, Got some soil mixed in with grass seed right here. Apply some more in areas that need it. See, everything is nicely level. Everything is even. Just gonna give it one more test. Good to go. See? Voila. Kinda neat, huh? These are fine over here. Pretty flush with the ground. Why that one wasn't, I don't know. And that's pretty much it. Kinda neat, huh? Gotta love it. Everything is leveled off now. No more receding deep down below. Why it was that deep, I don't know, but obviously it needed to be fixed so that it could level off and just spray the water as needed in the direction. Sometimes you can set them before they go into the ground, or do like I did. As soon as the water turns on, turn a sprinkler head. But this one could be turned. There are other ones where you have to adjust it with the tool. Thankfully this one didn't, because the other one is more of a nightmare. But as you can see, you can rest assured knowing the grass will be greener on the other side. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.